Hello everyone, how are y'all doing? I am so excited, y'all. Today I am beginning my 5-day holiday cream pie series. And these are delicious pies that are very simple and easy to make. And so I just can't wait to show y'all these simple and easy pies. Okay, to start off this series, I will be making a coconut cream pie. And here are my ingredients. Shortbread pie crust. I have some whipped topping. A half a cup of coconut flakes. 2 boxes of these. This is the instant kind, y'all. Coconut cream. Pudding. Instant pudding. And I have some cream cheese and whole milk. Those are our simple ingredients. Nothing fancy. Let's get to making our coconut cream pie. Okay, y'all, I have here 1/4 of a cup of coconut flakes, and I'm gonna put these on this foil here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna brown these for my topping. Okay, we're gonna set this on high broil. If you're not gonna pay any attention to it, you may need to put it on low broil. But I'm gonna be here to watch these coconut flakes. And I'm going to put them in the oven, like I say. As y'all can see in my oven, I have put my coconut flakes in there. And I'm going to watch them. I'm going to keep the oven door open so I can make sure I keep a good eye on these coconut flakes, okay? All we are doing, we're browning them. I have toasted my coconut flakes, as y'all can see. Now I'm going to set these aside, and we're getting ready to make our coconut cream pie. Okay, in this bowl, I'm putting my 2 small boxes coconut cream instant pudding. I got 2 of the boxes, 2 small boxes. They are the 3.4 ounces. Okay, now I'm adding 2 cups of whole milk. And we're going to mix this. We're going to mix this until it turns into pudding, okay? Can y'all see how thick the pudding is getting? Let me show y'all. See how thick the pudding is getting? Okay. Let me show y'all how it's getting. See? Now I'm adding my cream cheese. And we're going to mix that together. Like I say, y'all, this is so simple to make. You can make these dishes in less than, really, 15 minutes. It doesn't take long. That's it. See how thick the filling is? And as your mixture cools, it's gonna make the pie solid, okay? Okay, y'all, here As y'all see, this is my shortbread pie crust. Or you can use just the graham pie crust. This is the one I preferred, but it's up to you. Crust you want. Okay. Here, put my mixture in the pie shell. Try to get it all, y'all, because this filling is so delicious. Okay. Okay, all you do is just spread it around. Because as this sets, it's going to thicken as it sets. Okay, now we're ready for our whipped topping. Okay, what I'm going to do now, this is how you do your whipped topping. You just whip it up in the bowl like this. Don't just set it on top of your pie as it is. We're going to whip it up in this little tub. Okay, now we're going to place it on top of our pie. Try not to put it at the edge of the pie, all the way to the edge, because I like a little clear top that goes on top. So we don't want to put it all the way to the ends, okay? You can put as much of the whipped topping as you want, or less. Okay. Y'all seen how simple that was? This is very, very simple, but yet delicious. Okay. Y'all remember the toasted coconut flakes? I'm gonna sprinkle those on there. Y'all see how simple that was? Very, very simple. Like I say, I have some more pies to share with you. And stay tuned for them. Okay. Look at there, y'all. This is my coconut, simple and easy coconut cream pie. Okay. Okay, like I say, it has a top that goes on it. This is the little lid that they have. Put your little lid back on there. Okay. And you're ready to go. You can take these to parties, Christmas parties, or for your Christmas dinner. You can be very careful, because these do have sharp edges. Okay, here's my coconut cream pie. Okay, y'all, well, that's it for today. Y'all stay tuned. This is to be continued. Stay tuned to my holiday cream pie series, okay? This is going to be a 5-day series. And so y'all be looking for my pies for 5 days, okay? Okay, y'all, now I have let my coconut cream pie sit in the refrigerator overnight, or up until you get ready to serve it. Okay. I'm getting ready to show y'all my end result of this pie. Okay. Okay. Hold it back, son. Take this out. Okay, this is my coconut cream pie. Y'all can see, this is my coconut cream pie. Y'all see this one? Okay. Y'all, these cakes are so simple to make, but delicious. Okay, y'all, well, this is what I want to show y'all. I'm going to tell y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now.